Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best recliner cable is probably one of the most overlooked components of your favorite recliner, until it breaks. A broken recliner cable can render your comfy chair useless, turning your relaxation station into a source of frustration. But fear not, because today, we're diving deep into the world of recliner cable replacement, ensuring you can get back to kicking your feet up in no time. Number 5. TTMAGIC Metal Recliner Handle Replacement. This universal recliner handle replacement fits most major furniture brands, including Ashley and La-Z-Boy. It's designed to be a versatile solution for your recliner needs. This product is a great choice for a wide range of recliners. Made of aluminum alloy, this metal couch release handle is built to last. It's much more durable than the original plastic handles. The heavy-duty cable ensures long-lasting performance. The handle part size is 4:12 x 2:5:8, and the exposed cable length is approximately 4.9 inches. Please measure your existing cable carefully before purchasing. The total cable length is 36.3 inches. You can easily install this recliner pull handle and cable in minutes. All you need is a cross-point screwdriver and needle nose pliers. The installation process is straightforward and simple. Our improved design includes springs on the exposed cable for quicker and more precise handle resetting. You'll be more satisfied with your recliner after repairing it. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. What we like. This metal handle is built to last, thanks to its aluminum alloy construction. It fits a wide range of recliner brands, making it a versatile choice. If you're tired of flimsy plastic handles breaking, this is the perfect upgrade. It's easy to install, so you can quickly restore your recliner's functionality. What people say. The metal construction of the handle feels solid and high quality, far superior to the cheap plastic handles I had before. This replacement handle is designed to fit Ashley and most recliner sofa brands, and it worked flawlessly with my recliner. Easy to install and works perfectly. Number 4. Podoy Recliner Pull Handle Replacement. Tired of a broken recliner handle? This replacement part is designed to fix that. It's a universal solution for many sofas and chairs. Make sure it fits. The handle is 3 by 3.5 inches, and the exposed cable is 4.75 inches. Measure your old handle to ensure a perfect fit. This handle works with many brands, including La-Z-Boy and Ashley. It's a great way to replace a broken handle without replacing the whole recliner. Made from strong plastic, this handle is built to last. It's lightweight, resists corrosion, and is smoother to use than older handles. You don't need any special skills. Install it in just 5 minutes with a screwdriver. It's perfect for quick DIY furniture repairs. This handle is a versatile solution for recliners, sofas, and gliders. It's the perfect accessory to revive your furniture and save money. What we like. This handle is designed for easy installation, taking only minutes to replace. It's made from durable plastic, ensuring it can withstand daily use. If you're looking for a quick and easy fix without any professional help, this is the ideal solution. It's perfect for anyone who wants to get their recliner back in working order fast. What people say. Works perfectly. Easy to install. Just be sure you get the correct one to fit your recliner. This was perfect for my La-Z-Boy reclining love seat. Exact spec of a La-Z-Boy love seat handle. It was simple to replace. Easy to install, worked great on our recliner couch from Big Lots. Number 3. TTMAGIC Recliner Pull Handle Replacement. This replacement handle fits most recliner brands, including Ashley Furniture and many others. It's designed to be a universal solution for your broken recliner handle. This part is a great choice to fix your couch. The exposed cable length is the most important measurement. As long as this measurement is correct, it will work. The total cable length is not as important, so don't worry about that. You can install this handle in minutes, even without any special skills. All you need is a screwdriver and pliers. The installation is very easy. Made from high-quality materials, this handle is built to last. The design ensures a long service life, so you don't have to worry about replacing it again soon. This handle is compatible with a wide range of brands and models. It fits brands like Ashley, Lazy Boy, and many more. It is a good choice for your recliner. What we like. This recliner handle is designed to fit most major brands, offering a universal solution for your needs. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring it lasts a long time. If you have a common recliner brand and want a reliable replacement, this is a great choice. It's easy to install, so you can get back to relaxing quickly. What people say. These work great, was able to replace the one on my couch, very sturdy, looks like it was perfect fit, easy to install. Perfect fit and easy to install. It is light and it reclines our chair perfectly. The material is sturdy and looks very professional. It is so easy to replace these things that anyone can do it. Works like new. Great product, and we will see if it lasts as long as the OEM one did, 4 years. But the replacement seemed the same quality as the OEM as well. Number 2. Nonley Recliner Cables Replacement Parts. Is your sofa recliner pull ring broken or not working smoothly? This replacement handle from Nonley is designed with superior grips. It's the perfect solution for your problem. These recliner pull cable replacement handles are made of high-quality aluminum alloy. This provides extra strength, ensuring long-lasting durability. You can rely on it for years. This sofa recliner cable replacement is compatible with most major furniture brands. It works with love seats, couches, and various recliner chairs. It's a versatile choice. The D-ring recliner cable replacement has a total length of 43 inches. The exposed cable opposite the handle is 4.75 inches. Make sure it fits your needs. Installation is simple, using tools you probably already have. The updated D-pull design makes it easy to grip when reclining. It's convenient to use. What we like. This recliner handle features a D-ring design for a comfortable grip. It's made from high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring durability. If you're looking for a handle that's easy to grip and built to last, this is a great option. It's a simple upgrade that can make a big difference in your recliner experience. What people say. Was very happy with the quality and fitment was perfect, including the snap-in cable hold. It actually works smoother than the original one did. It fit perfectly and works great. Number 1. Blue Cactus Reclining Furniture Power Supply. This power supply includes a 47-inch black 2-pin power cord and an AC/DC adapter. It's designed to provide everything you need for your furniture. If you own a power recliner or electric couch, this is for you. It's a reliable replacement part to keep your furniture running smoothly. Enjoy uninterrupted relaxation and gaming sessions. This power supply offers a steady and reliable power source for your electric couch. It's specifically designed for standard 2-pin furniture connectors. This power cord is compatible with many brands, but always check your recliner's requirements. With its sleek black finish, it blends seamlessly into any living space. The compact build and wall-mountable feature add convenience and style. What we like. This power supply is specifically designed for electric recliners and gaming chairs. It provides a consistent and reliable power source. If you have a power recliner and need a dependable replacement, this is the perfect solution. It's easy to install and ensures your chair is always ready for use. What people say. Plugged right in, work instantly. Great product. It was simple to install, no instructions were needed. A perfect fit. This cord worked like a charm, but it is a little short. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.